Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Just Meta to write text messages, notifications, things like that for your website or apps. So today we're going to go to the AI panel. We're going to go down to templates. And when we scroll all the way to the bottom here, we're going to be in the other category today. And you'll see app and SMS notifications. We simply click on that. We describe the kind of notification we want to send. So for example, I want a notification that says package shipped, right? So telling your customer that their order has shipped and is on the way. We can set the tone. I like creative. And I like friendly for something like this. You can change it to whatever level of creativity and whatever tone of voice you'd like. And then you just hit generate. So this will take a couple seconds and it will spit out a list of potential choices. Great news. Your order is en route to your doorstep, ready to bring joy to your day. Keep an eye out for our friendly delivery partner who will be knocking on your door soon. Happy unboxing, right? So a lot of these are really friendly. They're very nice. I can see a lot of them working. But if these don't tickle your fancy, you can always edit them using our editing tools, or you can come down here, change your notification description, change your level of creativity, try maybe a different tone of voice, and get a different iteration of SMS notifications. So guys, as always, you can download it up here, or you can save it to your documents over here. Thank you guys so much for checking out this Just Meta tutorial. We're going to be going through all the different templates on justmeta.com. We hope you'll join us in the next video.